Hi everyone, Catherine Grill here. I'm the CEO and one of the founders of Neolth. And today I'm going to show you how to access the videos in Neolth's expert advice section on our community hub. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll jump right into it. So I'm in the community section. I've clicked here on expert advice, and this is a whole section. You can almost think of it like YouTube with pre-recorded videos from content creators who are health and wellness professionals, oftentimes doctors and therapists, or other people who are experts in their space. Now, before I get into it, I just want to say that this is not supposed to be a replacement for any medical advice. So make sure that you're talking to your doctor or therapist if you have any specific questions. But this is really just a good way to watch these videos and learn about different health and wellness topics. So there are a whole lot of videos here. You can see different things that might be trending, recommended, or recently added. And as you scroll down, more videos will populate. So you'll start to see different kind of sections pop up. Some sections have more videos, some have less, just depends on what's most popular from our creators. And you can scroll through different series within a section if you want. I really like using the filters. I think that's a great way to find what I'm looking for quickly. So there are different ways you can use that. If there's a specific topic that you're looking for, financial wellness, this was a cool one that we just built up. A lot of people were asking about what's a credit score? I want to think about first-time home ownership, even if that's, a couple of years out. So we actually built up a video series with a mortgage broker for those specific topics that you can look through. You can watch one video, you can click through, you can watch the whole series. It's really up to you. So you can use these topic filters here on the side. If there's a certain expert or creator that you like and you want to hear more from them, you can click on their name. You can see all the content that they've built up. Or you can even search for something like length of time. Maybe you just have a couple minutes in between class or on the bus back to school and you want to watch a quick video. All of these videos will have hashtags, you'll notice at the bottom. So that explains a little bit more about what's the topic of that video, what should you expect, even who that video might be appropriate for, or what skills you're building with that video. So if you wanted to, you can even click on a hashtag, and then that will pull up search features and you'll be able to see all the different videos related to that hashtag. If you want to clear all your filters, you can clear them all. You can do a larger search. And again, you'll see all of those different videos associated with the hashtag. You can just hit the star button here if there's a video you really like, if you want to favorite it, and then you can jump into your favorite section and you'll be able to access those videos really quickly if you want to watch them in the future. So this is how you can use Neolth's expert advice section to sort for different videos that you want to watch to learn about mental health and wellness. And we hope that you enjoy this feature. See you next time.